In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 3 simple WordPress tips to make your experience of using WordPress a whole lot easier. If you're new here, hi, I'm Nicola, and on this channel, I share simple WordPress video tutorial guides to help you create amazing websites. So if this is something that you want more of, then be sure to click the subscribe button below to get notifications of when my new videos come out. The first simple trick is organization, and that is organizing the welcome dashboard. So when you first log into WordPress, you'll see a simple dashboard, and on there you can organize this so you have everything you need at your fingertips when you log into WordPress. So let me dive into my screen and show you exactly how you can manipulate your dashboard. Okay, so here I am on my dashboard in the back end of WordPress, and you can see it says dashboard here at the top, and then you've got a little welcome to WordPress, and then you've got all these kind of widget areas which bring up all the information of your website kind of in a snapshot. And depending on which plugins you have on your website, depends on which snapshots show up here. So if you've got WooCommerce installed, you'll see a couple of WooCommerce snapshots. Here I also have WP Mail SMTP, which is a mailing plugin. I also have Rank Math and a couple of extras like WordFence. Okay, so this dashboard is really handy because it kind of gives you, as I've said before, a snapshot of your website. So some of the standard ones that come with your installation will be like a quick draft, or you can edit your front page, you can view your site, you can manage widgets, etc. really quickly. And if you come up to the top right here, you'll see screen options. You can click on that drop down, and this is where you can remove some of the widget areas. So to remove a widget area, all you do is uncheck the box, and once you uncheck it, it will be removed below. So I can uncheck all the ones that I don't want on here. So I'm just going to keep maybe 1 or 2 just to show you how you can then move them around. So I'm going to keep the quick draft, and I quite like to keep up to date with all the latest WordPress news. So I'm going to have the quick draft here and the WordPress events and news. Now we can also move these around, so I can just click on it and I can drag it around here. So then I've got a nice view of the events and news there and a quick draft here. Now this dashboard is really handy if you want to create, say, video tutorial guides for your clients. Then you can pop your video tutorial guides on here, and I use the welcome dashboard for Beaver Builder to do so. So that is a free plugin that you can install and use alongside Beaver Builder. Create your tutorial guides, save them on YouTube or Vimeo or Screenomatic or something like that, and then link them to your website so that when your client logs into their website, they'll see this dashboard, and on their dashboard they'll be able to access all the tutorial guides for their website and easily go ahead and update and maintain their website. So this is really great to keep this organized so that when you log into your website, you can quickly create draft blog posts, you can check the WordPress events and news, or you can see your WooCommerce stats or your SEO stats or Google Analytics stats. So that's how you change your dashboard in WordPress. So the next tip, which is a very simple one, but makes it easier for you to navigate around your WordPress website, and that is taking your website off the full screen mode. So again, let me dive into my screen and show you where you can remove this. So here I am in the back end of my WordPress website, and I'm busy editing a page. Now, when you edit a page, your side left bar goes away, and I sometimes find that quite annoying because I can't then easily navigate to where I want. If I want to get anywhere to back to the dashboard, I have to click it to this WordPress at the top, and I just find that takes more time, more clicks. It's just annoying. So this simple trick will bring that side left dashboard back. So you come up to the top here, you click on these 3 dots, and then you're going to remove this full screen mode. And once you remove the full screen mode, you'll then see all your options will come back on the left hand side, and then you can quickly and easily navigate back to where you want to go. Saves you clicks and saves you time. And the last trick is another one that makes it easy for you to navigate around your WordPress backend, and that is by simply clicking on the black bar. It takes you back to the top of the screen. It's a really simple one. It's a hack I only learned in the last year. So again, let me dive into my screen and show you where you can find this. So here I am in the back end. I'm on my pages listing. So as you can see from the pages, I have 39 items. So I can scroll all the way down to the bottom. And once I get down to the bottom or anywhere past about the halfway point, and I want to quickly get back to the top, all I need to do is to click on this black bar at the top, and it will take me right back to the top of the page. So as I mentioned, very simple trick indeed. All right, so those are my 3 simple WordPress tips to make life easier when creating your website. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel.